Alright, so welcome to part 2 of this video. So we'll start releasing this piece here. We'll go gentle to see what happens underneath. Okay, interesting. So the sticker goes on this sort of metallic part here on one side. So I guess that's how you know it's being placed in the right. And there's a little bit of extra glue there. I'm not sure if you should even meddle with that. And this one here is there. Let's see. It's just about this where it gets the P is the starting point here on this. So we'll get that. Ooh, that is not good. That is not good. It did not peel off nicely as I would have wanted. So now we have to do extra peeling to get this out.
Likey